اس میں لکھیے at the outset Mr. Raza Rabbani, learned Mr. Raza Rabbani stated that he represents, who do you represent?
My Lord, Sanam Bhutto.
He represents MS Sanam Bhutto, the daughter of the late Mr. Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto. Asifa and
Bhutto,
the maternal granddaughter.
My Lord.
Granddaughters.
Daughters, my Lord.
नाम बताएं.
Asifa Bhutto Zardari.
How would you spell Asifa? A-S-E-E-F-A. ठीक है.
And Bakhtawar Bhutto Zardari.
Who's the elder out of the two?
Bakhtawar.
So let's put Bakhtawar's name first. उनका Bakhtawar, उनका नाम क्या है?
Bakhtawar Bhutto Zardari.
She's not married? I thought
she is, my Lord.
She's maintaining this name.
That's right.
Okay. लिख लिया. अच्छा, इसमें लिखे Mr. Zayed Ibrahim was appointed as amicus, but states that he had already been approached by
the grandchildren Fatima Bhutto,
by the paternal grandchildren of late Mr. Bhutto, namely
Fatima Bhutto,
namely MS Fatima Bhutto and
Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto.
Full stop. Be inquired from all those present whether anyone has any objection to Mr. Ibrahim representing being their counsel as opposed to amicus, and none opposed. Full stop. इसके बाद लिखिए Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed was appointed amicus, and Mr. Khwaja Haris साहब का नाम पहले लिखें, and Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed were also appointed amicus, and they stated that they want to disclose the fact that they were counsel in the case of Khwaja Sahab. किसके counsel थे?
Khwaja Sahab's father was counsel for.
That is father. Khwaja Sahab का लिखते हैं. Khwaja Sahab's his father was a counsel in
Masood Mahmood, who was accomplice
for Mr. Masood Mahmood, who was the
accomplice turned approver,
who was a co-accused
and approver,
oblique approver in the case. And Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed stated that he is married to the granddaughter of the murder victim, namely
Nawab Ahmed Khan Kasuri.
इसमें लिखे none present objected.
My Lord, as far as, with due respect to Khwaja Sahab, but since his father had remained counsel to Masood Mahmood, we would be
अच्छा, वो हमने पहले पूछा था, आपने खड़े नहीं हुए. वो किधर हैं ख्वाजा साहब? आपको कोई इतराज है? ये कह रहे हैं कि he's very embarrassingly and reluctantly objecting to your.
No, it is nothing. It's okay, man. I'll withdraw. I don't need.
अच्छा, ठीक है, चले. ये लिख दें हम या नहीं? Would you want this recorded, or would you like to withdraw yourself, Khwaja Sahab, as you want?
I have already disclosed that.
No, would you want to withdraw yourself?
Why not?
Or you want the objection recorded and withdraw?
No, I'll withdraw myself on the ground that I was.
उनका पे लिखने वो withdraw कर लेते हैं.
I may just correct my note that my father was the counsel when contempt proceedings were being initiated, were being held against him. Just that bit. Otherwise, I withdraw my note.
जरा समझ गए आप?
Not in this case, but in the contempt
proceedings.
And then
for the. Okay, but thank you for coming.
No, my lord.
अच्छा, और सलाउद्दीन साहब का किसी को objection तो नहीं है? सोच लें. Okay, चलें. We heard learned amicus Mr. Makhdum Ali Khan. Full stop. He has also filed material comprising in 2 bound sets. Full stop. in view of the forthcoming elections and as important matters are coming to this court, and as this court would want to hear this case, to hear this matter, I don't know if we should call it a case, in detail, it should be adjourned after the elections in the second week of February karne.
The elections are in the second week, so it may be adjourned to the third.
Third week karne. Third week, फिर हम आपस में देख लेते हैं availability वगैरह. Third week of February. Chaliye, I think we've made good headway today, and certain clarity is coming through. So the date will be communicated, of course. Anybody wants to say anything?
It's also, thank you.
Chaliye.